here from Diamond Painting Besties 8375. Here with an unboxing of an order from Diamond Art Club. A few disclaimers before we get started. I do have a 9-month-old puppy, and right now she's sleeping, but she may wake up, make an appearance, or some noise. Also, I am an ex-sailor, so I might have some foul language, but haven't had any yet, and hopefully I won't have any this time. So let's go ahead and get into it. So about this pre-order, I had seen the snowman, which was called Frosty Forest Friend, and I really liked it, and I knew my bestie would like it, so I went ahead and ordered those. And then I also forgot my bestie had ordered the Mad Kitty for me already, so I ordered it anyways. But I'm going to use it as a giveaway, so stay tuned for a giveaway. So first one is the Mad Kitty. I'm not going to unbox it, take it out yet, because this is going to be for a giveaway. This is by Mandie Manzano. It is a round full drill, 71 centimeter by 51 centimeter, and this one does have a glow in the dark. It is 36 colors and 1 glow in the dark. So there's that one. Again, that will be for a giveaway. And what I really wanted were these, which are the Frosty Friends. And this one is by Dona Gelsinger, sorry. It is a square full drill, 50 by 67 centimeter. This has a total of 38 colors with 2 ABs. I'm going ahead and put one aside for my bestie, and we will take a look at mine. So I ordered these back at the end of August, and I just got them on Halloween, so I'm unboxing these after work. So first, if you're not familiar with Diamond Art Club, you will have your branding up top, the image of what is actually in the kit, more branding on the side, your instructions, what's included in your kits, and your little instructions here. And inside here, you will have your standard for Diamond Art Club. Their standard is, I noticed for the squares, you get the nice metal black tweezers, some baggies, a drill pin tool, a blue squishy, I believe it's 1 or 2 boats, and then usually there's a multi-placer or something in here, but I don't think this one has one. And you get 2 of the soft paraffin waxes as well. And you get, always make sure to check, because you get your little key on this nice sticker. I use these to label my, my kit when I go ahead and kit up the diamonds. And on it you're going to have your list, which is going to be also on your canvas as well, 1 through 38. And a nice little picture of the painting. You also get another small little sticker of the painting that it is. And inside here you will have your canvas and your drills. And oh, look at the colors, guys. I love it already. Look how cute. So you will have your canvas, a little pamphlet with your step-by-step instructions. Let's take a look at these drills first before we look more in detail at the canvas. Like I said, this is a square full drill. And of course, drills always look really nice from Diamond Art Club. Here's your 963. Let's see, we'll go out. Find an AB here. I must be blind because I can't see them. Oh, here they are. Here's one. 125 AB. Really nice. This would be 2 ABs, right? Here's the other one. Not a lot of ABs. 133. So there are 2 ABs, but it looks like not a lot of actual ABs in it, which I don't mind. That's alright. If I want to, I can go ahead and just add my own. But let's look at this beautiful canvas. So up top, you're going to have your branding for your Diamond Art Club. Top left, you're going to have your key. It's going to have the model name of it, the title of it, the size of it, and you're going to have your schematic and then your color key. Your color key. And I don't know if you notice in the white here, you can see a little sparkle in the canvas. That's because the Diamond Art Club, their canvases have a little added sparkle to them. And then in the bottom right, you're going to have another key. But look how cute this is, guys. Printed very well, poured glue as always. Canvas is really thick. And you can still see how there's a little sparkle in the canvas there. But this one is so cute, guys. Look at this. So cute. So I immediately thought, well, I know my bestie will like it too, so I went ahead and got her one too, of course, because you know we spoil each other. So there is that, guys. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing. And as always, thank you for all the love and the support. Go ahead and share, comment, and like this video all that you want. And this is probably going to be posted to our new YouTube channel. So if you're not watching this on IG, check it out on our YouTube channel as well. The Diamond Painting Besties. So yeah, if you're not following me on Instagram, please give me a follow, Diamond Painting Besties 8375, and go ahead and give my bestie Miranda a follow at Diamond Painting Besties 7583. As always, guys, be safe, be kind, and happy painting. Bye.